Hey architecture lovers! Today we're going on a virtual tour of the incredible Ibsen House, designed by Matheus Farah and Manoel Maia Arquitetura. Buckle up, because this isn't your ordinary house. It's a masterpiece of modern living. Imagine a house where shared moments flow freely, yet privacy remains a priority. That's the magic of Ibsen House. The architects achieved this through a functional and integrated plan. Instead of rigid walls, they used massive vertical gardens and large sliding panels to divide spaces. This creates hybrid areas that can be both social hubs and tranquil retreats. Located in a São Paulo residential area, Ibsen House stands out for its respect for the surroundings. The imposing structure is actually a collection of volumes that blend harmoniously with the neighborhood. The pool serves as the heart of the residence, visible from almost every room. It seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor living. The master suite, located above the pool, boasts a stunning floor-to-ceiling opening that both reveals and conceals the space. A wide slatted wood panel slides horizontally, offering complete privacy when closed. Open it up, and the panel transforms into a suspended deck, blurring the lines between the room and the pool. A vertical garden on the opposite side adds a touch of nature and ensures privacy. On the ground floor, a solarium with plush chaise lounges flanks the pool, surrounded by lush greenery. The social volume, comprising the living and dining rooms, features large sliding panels that open completely to the pool area. This fosters connection, natural light, and ventilation. The social area's panels slide on tracks, functioning as dividers while enabling a fully open space. Upstairs, a wood-covered volume houses the home office, with panels that offer complete openness to the ground floor. The crowning jewel is the rooftop garden above the social block. It features a jacuzzi, chaise lounges, and a dining table, all with a breathtaking view of the pool and neighborhood. This space connects with a large solarium above the master suite and offers access to guest rooms and other private areas, all boasting pool views. Descend to the underground floor, and you'll discover the Redroom, a hidden haven for parties. Special lighting and acoustic treatment create the perfect atmosphere, while red neon lights establish a unique identity distinct from the rest of the house. The lower floor also houses a fitness room and a spacious garage. Ibsen House is a true architectural marvel. It's a testament to the power of design to create a space that fosters connection, tranquility, and a whole lot of fun. If you're looking for inspiration for your dream home, Ibsen House is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing architecture tours.